In this video, I'm going to show you how to build a website on Jimdo. So make sure you are on the official website of Jimdo and already logged in with your credentials. So in here, you'll need to choose if you want to start or create a website via their templates or manually via code. But in this case, I'm going to choose the templates from Jimdo. So once you click the start now button, in here you'll be redirecting to the another page here in Jimdo, and then they will ask you some questions like who are you creating a website for, and then what is your website for, and then enter your business or project name, and then just simply click the next or complete or continue, and then after that wait for it to load up and then finish the setup. And then in here they will ask you which colors do you like best and then what pages your website needs. You can select it all if you want, and then after that it will generate a options that you can choose if you want to start with. So after that you'll need to add your domain in here in order to successfully create a website in here. So after that, wait for it to load up. And as you can see in here, you've already have a built-in website or a template one from Jimdo. So in here, you'll just need to add a block in here in order to make it more unique to your styles, and that's it. That's how to build a website on Jimdo. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.